What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x80070002. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to update your Windows and you're getting this error code, there's a few quick ways to fix this. The first thing you want to do is just to go to your search bar and type in troubleshoot set until you see the troubleshoot settings menu pop up. In here, click into additional troubleshooters, and in here, click into the Windows Update troubleshooter and run this troubleshooter. This is literally going to resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows. So anything that's happening, like these errors, it could be a network error, a system error, a software error, computer error, whatever it is, right? This is basically going to run the troubleshoot process to make sure everything is good to go and you are able to do your update. So once you do this, you should be able to good to go. But if not, the next thing you want to do on top of this is to go to your search bar and type in services, and in here find something called Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. So these two, double click into them, change the startup type from whatever it is to automatic, and then start the service if it's stopped. If it is started, stop it and start it again. You're going to do the same thing for the Windows Update Medic Service as well, and essentially run this process and then go from there. Once you do this, you should be able to update your Windows and you will be basically not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. Guys, on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. On that, Motorola's out. Peace.